You're not audible.
Sir, you muted, sir.
అయితే మీకు ఏదైనా తీసుకోండి ఆ డబ్బులు అవన్నీ కడిగి సెంటర్ పెద్దలో తీసుకోండి తీసుకున్నారే ఆల్రెడీ మంచివే కాకపోతే ఇంకా బయట ఇచ్చాను సర్ఫేస్ నానబెట్టాక
Hello, you're not audible, please.
Yeah, I'm reconnecting again. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir, getting. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Now it's okay?
Yes, sir.
Sorry for
Yes, sir.
disturbances.
Yes, sir.
I've reconnected my mic, reconnected my video camera and all. Okay, thank you everybody for waiting patiently. I would request one or two teachers to discuss about the outcome of today's meeting. What do you expect from today's meeting? Because you have seen my small ad in the Facebook and you have come through my WhatsApp number. I'm thankful to you because more than 28% people have joined. And I request a brief discussion before we start so that I can set that context and I can the meeting can be fruitful to you. Anybody, Anurag sir, Saurabh sir, anybody who wants to speak about the today's outcome? What do you expect? Anyone? Hello?
That online platform is better.
Yes. But sir, आज की
ये
meeting
जो कोरोना का जी
हाँ 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 Okay, you are expecting something related to online thing?
जी sir.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay. Anybody else?
Yeah, good evening, one and all. This side
Yes, good
Aradhna,
evening.
and probably we are going to learn how can we use digital media platform to flourish our knowledge through the super course model that that can be discussed today. Probably this is the
Thank you, ma'am. You have done my marketing. Thank you. Great.
Thanks.
I like that. Actually, I'm here to help you all because I think everybody is struggling for some income and everybody is looking for some income source. And I have posted in multiple pages on Facebook. And after my post, I have seen so many people were posting there. Ghar baithe kamao, you don't have to do anything. If you have a mobile phone, a tab, you will earn something. These are all false commitments, sir. हम लोग सब responsible teacher है. We are all educated people. We don't know these. We know these false commitments are there actually. So don't fall in trap of these false commitment. I am very serious. I will discuss about serious business here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let me try again for my Facebook thing. I am trying again to go live on Facebook. Just hold on. Last try.
Okay.
And anybody else? आप कुछ बताना चाहोगे? Anything? What do you want in today's world from online media? What is your expectation? कितनी इनकम हो सकती है ऑनलाइन से?
सर अभी जैसे अगर मैं बात करूं तो मैं स्वयं अपना एक चैनल चला रहा हूं और उसमें इनकम इतनी वो नहीं रखता मैं, बस सीधे बच्चों के लिए वो सेवा कर रहे हैं। बट आज जैसी कंडीशन है उसमें वो चाहिए भी अपने को कुछ, ताकि अपने भी वो फॉर्मेलिटीज पूरी कर सकें, तो जो बच्चों के लायक है।
अनुराग सर, आप कहाँ से हैं?
जी, मैं हनुमानगढ़ जिले से हूँ, राजस्थान।
अरे वाह, हनुमानगढ़ तो मैं एकदम बगल में है मेरा घर, वहाँ नौहर बोल के जगह है।
नौहर में, नौहर से ही हूँ सर मैं।
मैं भी नौहर से हूँ। आप नौहर
जी
से
सर।
हो? लो, कहाँ से कहाँ मिले हम लोग। अनुराग सर,
बस
आप
वही
मेरा
तो।
व्हाट्सएप नंबर है आपके पास?
जी जी जी, बिल्कुल सर।
सोचिए हम लोग किस छोटे से गांव से हैं और आज कहाँ बैठे हैं। मैं कलकत्ता में बैठा हूँ। आई एम इन
जी।
कोलकाता। आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड कि आप मेरे नेटिव प्लेस से हो। मैं born in नोहर बट brought up in कोलकाता। आई हैव डन माय
बस
स्टडीज ऑल इन
संयोग की
कोलकाता।
बात है सर। जी,
चलो
संयोग
ठीक
की
है।
बात है।
यस यस, सहयोग इसी को
बड़ा अच्छा
बोलते हैं।
लगा मिलके।
चलिए, let's start. We will start today's presentation. I will share my screen and next 20 minutes I will speak, and everybody please mute yourself, and whatever we will discuss over chat only. आप अपना वीडियो भी ऑफ कर सकते हैं चाहे तो, क्योंकि अभी चैट पे चलेंगे हम लोग। और next 20 minutes I will do a presentation. Whenever I ask about something to write on chat box, please write on chat box, respond on the chat box so that I understand what you are feeling, what you are getting my point, whether you are getting my point or not. And after that, house will be open for question answer session for next 20 minutes. Okay, let's start. This webinar is for teachers for online passive income. What is passive income? Passive income means a source of income for which you have to work only once, and after that, every time you will a sale happens and you get the income. It means like writing a book. If you have written a book once, the book can be sold multiple times, 100 times, 1,000 times, 10,000 times, and lakhs of lakhs times. And every time it is sold, you get a passive income. So similarly, I have created a platform called Super Courses, SUPR Courses, top left corner of the screen. Super Courses. There is no spelling error. It has been intentionally done. There is some numerology involved, and there is something related to online media. Okay, it is a unique name. And Super Courses is a platform where I am providing all the teachers opportunity to create their own teaching thing into a passive income source. Whatever you have been doing for past 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years, you have to do a recording of that lecture and upload on Super Courses. After your uploading has been done, I will create an opportunity for you to sell the course. I will sell the course on your behalf, and whenever sale happens, it becomes a passive income because you don't have to work during that time. We'll discuss about this more in the coming slide. Okay, I will introduce myself before. Sandeep sir, can you check everybody's getting voice? Sandeep sir, reconnect your mic or your audio. I am Naresh Agarwal. I am a chartered accountant. I am SAP FICO certified from SAP Germany. SAP is the biggest software on ERP. It's a big software. I am expert of that. I have done my diploma in information system audits from CA Institute. I have done my supply chain management course from SP Jain Institute of Management in 2019. And I have done my executive MBA from IIM Calcutta in 2019. So I am a regular learner. At this age, I am learning regularly. I have 25 years plus experience. I have worked with companies like IBM, ENY, Imami Group of companies. This is my experience. For last 2 years in 2019 and 2020, I have started running my own software consultancy firm. And the outcome of my consultancy is that Super Courses. I have created that platform for the teachers, and I am on a mission. Why this project? Why have I started this project? This project I have started because I have seen once during July last year, during pandemic, I have seen news that India's employment has grown to 17.5 crores. So I thought I have to develop something so that they can become self-sufficient, self-reliant, and they don't have to wait for some employment opportunities. Why they are searching for employment? If I can develop some skills for them, they can become self-sufficient. So I have started searching for business coach and motivational coach and skill development coaches. but I found very less numbers of business coach and motivational coach to develop the skills. So I started searching for teachers. When I came across with some teaching community, so I found another problem there in the society. Most of the teachers were saying that, sir, our salaries had been reduced. We are not getting proper salary, and we have been struggling because our coaching center have been shut down. Due to that coaching center shutdown, there is an issue now. So I have shifted my unemployment issue to the teaching community issue, because it was very easy to develop some tool for teachers so that you can create your courses on my platform and I can market for you, and so that you get some income. So I wanted to convert the coaching center or online coaching into a offline coaching center. So that's why I've created this project. And for this project, I have set my income target of 2 lakh rupees. It's not my income. It is for income for 2 lakh rupees per annum for 1000 plus teachers. This is my target. Are you all excited of seeing this mission? I want to give 2 lakh rupees. Yes. Please write in the chat box. Yes. Amreen is saying yes. Anybody can, who is a maths teacher here, convert this 2 lakh into 1000. What is the total amount? I'm committed. Jaideep sir, thank you. Aradhana ma'am, thank you. Yes, he is saying yes. Jaideep is saying yes. What is the total amount I'm committed now for the next year? Yes, Sapna ma'am, I am coming. No problem. Shahil, 20 crore. Thank you, Sahil sir. I am committed for next year, April 2021 to March 2022, to give 20 crores of income to the teaching community who will be getting associated in future with me on super courses. This is my commitment. Are you all excited? Type excited in the chat box. Gurdeep sir. Gurdeep, yes. Joydeep, yes. Shahil is saying excited. NY is, New York is saying excited. Somebody named NY. Aradhana, Anurag, yes, excited. DC saying yes. Neha is also saying yes, excited. Sid, video code should be, yeah, I will take your point. Bino, yes. Anurag sir, yes, excited. Thank you, Anurag, for sending such a emoji. Okay, let's continue. Thanks for your response on chat. When I started discussing about the coaching center limitations, I came across 5 types of limitations. The major is capacity of the room size. If you have a 20-25 seater capacity, you cannot take more students in that coaching room. That's a major limitation for running a physical coaching center. And another limitation is locality. Where it is located, a student cannot come from far away from 10 kilometers. The 5 to 10 kilometer radius student can come, otherwise they cannot come. Even another city student cannot come. That's a limitation for a proper coaching center. And for proper coaching center, running of that coaching center, you have to do publicity in your own capacity. There is a limited budget with the teacher. With the limited budget, you cannot do a big publicity. Again, the fourth limitation is physically present at all the time. It means whatever time you are teaching, you are getting money. It means time equal to money. Whatever time you are spending, you are getting money. Otherwise, you are not getting money. If you have gone for a vacation for 10 days, when you come back, student will come and ask for 20 days. They will pay only 20 days fees, not for the 10 days which you were present, not absent during that time. That's a major limitation. Similarly, I discussed with limitations with most of the teachers with limitations of live classes. For running a live classes, bandwidth issue is a big issue. Like today, I was struggling for 7 minutes for some bandwidth issue. There was some issue. And I have to connect, reconnect. I have to do everything repetitively to get this connection issue resolved. And during this bandwidth issue, there is always a disturbance during the session. And every time you are asking to the student, are you listening? Or student is saying, ma'am, I'm not listening. The audio is not clear. Video is not clear. The lecture is not clear. Yeah. What a PDF file or PPT is not clear. Like these type of disturbances are always there in the live classes. And if a student misses a session, he cannot revisit that session. Again, in this case also, both parties has to be present at the same time. It means time equal to money. In live classes and in the coaching classes, whenever you are running that, your time equal to money factor lies. So these are called active income, not passive income. So I have created a source of passive income through creating a portal where whatever you are teaching, you have to convert all your teaching material into a video lecture and upload on my Super Courses portal. After that, I will do the marketing, social media marketing, digital marketing, and all different type of marketing, and you will get students. And whenever a student is studying, you are free at that time. You are not limiting yourself. You may be on vacation, you may be teaching some other student, or you may be in your class, but the student is studying at that time due to offline lecture. Do you all agree to these limitations? Whatever I have noted down, type agree in the chat box. Do you all agree to these 5 limitations of live class and 5 limitations of your coaching center? Thank you, Amrin. Thank you, Gurdeep. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Bino. Yeah, Anurag is also saying agreeing. Yes, sir. Mr. Rao, yes. Vina, yes. Jam Singh is saying yes. Yeah, I know 90% of you are saying yes to these limitations. Okay, let's continue. Are you all struggling for income? I'm asking you. Are you all struggling for income? Type yes or no. Sapna is saying yes. Sahil, Veena, yes. Saurabh, Joydeep, DC, Sabu, yes, yes, yes. Ram Kumar is also saying yes. Yes, I think most of you. I will give you one thing. I will give you one link right now, and you have to click on that link and fill that form. Please fill this form so that I get the proper data about whatever we are discussing out here. I'm collecting this data of all the teachers. So I'm sharing one link here. It will take 30 seconds time only. Please fill this form. It will ask for your name, subject, city, and your income target. Please fill this form. When done, type done in the chat box. I'm waiting for next 30 seconds. Please fill this form. Please fill this form. When you are done filling this form, please write done in the chat box so that we can continue. Thank you, Sahil sir. Thank you, Joydeep sir. Done, done. Everybody, please take, it is only 10 seconds time. 10 to 15 seconds. Very simple form. Yes, sir. Jam Singh is saying yes. Done. Thank you. Click on the link and then fill. Sogato is saying done. Thank you, Sogato, sir. There is no submit button. You don't need to submit. It is automatically done. I will discuss, Sahil, I will discuss in question answer session how it is different. Thank you for that question. Yes, I think everybody has done what has to be submitted. Jan, you have to submit this form. Jan, you have to submit. Tariq sir, you have to submit this form. I've shared a link. Please click on that link and then fill. Okay, let's continue now. Okay, well, I have taken. Tariq sir, it will take 30 seconds only. Please fill this form. It will take only 30 seconds time. It will give me perfect data about your city, your subjects, your liking, your target, and I can help you in that if you fill that form. I will be in a better position to help you all if you fill this form. Thank you everybody. Okay, last time I have taken this data of 537 teachers. Out of that 537 teachers, 95.2% have said they are all struggling for income. That's a real data I have collected from all the teachers like this survey. I have taken survey today of 32 teachers, and it will be accumulated next time with the current data. So this is a shocking figure to me, and I want to help everybody here. Can you set your target right now? Because what I have set my target is 20 crores of income. If that 20 crore of income is to be distributed among 1,000 teachers, there is 2 lakh rupees per teacher. But it is not equally distributed. Some teacher will get 50,000, some teacher will get 5 lakh also, some teacher will get 10 lakh, 15 lakh also, depending on the number of courses and the popularity of the teacher and their luck also in the digital marketing. So what is your target? Please write your target in the chat box. I think you have already filled up in the form. Again, I want to see your target in the chat box so that it is visible to all. Please set your target. Otherwise, you are riding in a train which doesn't have any destination. Without any target, you cannot start a business. You cannot start any project. So please set your target. 50 lakhs per annum. Thank you, Sahil. It's very strong target, and you have to work rigorously for that. कम से कम 8-10 कोर्स चाहिए उसके लिए आपके. जैम सिंह सर 15 lakhs, Rupali 20 lakhs, Sabu 10 lakhs, Aradhana is 5 lakhs. That's good. Please make it reasonable, and you have to work with me on that target. If you are committed, I am also committed to you, because my commitment is 20 crores for 1,000 plus teachers. You have to take your piece of cake and pie from me. I am ready to give you that. I want to see your commitment for next 10 to 15 days or 1 month time, so that you start this journey with me. Thank you, NY 12 lakhs, Sid 10 lakhs, KS Rao 20 lakhs. That's good. Anurag 5 lakh. Mayank is saying 10 lakhs. That's good. Thank you everybody. Yes, this is Sahil. This is available for CACS, CMA courses also. This platform, I will discuss on that. No problem. Thank you for that. You can load any stream, anything can be taught here. $500,000, sir. Tariq sir, thank you for that. I am committed to you. Tariq sir, please let me connect after this meeting so that we can work out on that. $500,000 आपको मैं दिला के रहूंगा. Thank you. Let's continue. Okay. For this, my dream project is, the name of the dream project is supercourses.com. And on this super courses, you have to register here. And this registration is free right now, because after getting 1,000 plus teachers, I will start charging 500 or 1,000 rupees per month. I don't know the charge. It all depends on the future. And I'm submitting you a link here to join right now in the course and the subject in the on the site. Please join yourself by clicking on this link. Just type your name, phone number, email ID, and password. You are registered there, and there is no joining fees right now. In future, I will start charging for joining also, because right now everything is free. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं ना, अगर 10 लाख रुपए आपको कमाना है और आपको मैं 500 रुपए महीना लूंगा तो आप देंगे मुझे, but I am not charging anything. Please click on this link and sign up. And when done, please type done in the chat box so that I can continue. I can understand that you are done. Are you done? Only 5 seconds, 10 seconds time. Only your name, for mobile number and email ID and password. Whatever password. Sahil sir, done. Tariq sir, done. Thank you. Thank you. Ram Kumar, done. Thank you. Sabu sir, done. Anurag sir, Subhu sir, Sabu sir. Deepika, done. Yes, good. That's great. Sir, I am visible. Sapna, yes, I think. Yes. No, I am not taking your registration right now. Anwar is saying done. Sogato is also saying done. Amreen is also saying done. Fatima ma'am, thank you. I think everybody is done here. And let's continue. And I will stop share the screen. And now we will discuss on what are the queries in your mind. Sahil sir, thank you for nice platform. Thank you for appreciation. I need more appreciation from teachers like you actually, so that I can develop this portal more. Okay, let's next 20 minutes is for you. One by one, you can unmute yourself and discuss whatever query you have in mind. If somebody asks a question, same question is applying for other teachers also who are not asking. So please be open. Ask anything, whatever you want. Don't hesitate. Yeah.
Hi sir, good evening.
Hi Sahil sir.
Hi sir, how are you?
आपका वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए सर. थोड़ी फोटो देखिए, वीडियो देखिए तो अच्छा लगेगा मुझे.
एक सेकंड.
Yes, Mr. Rao.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening. How was the presentation? And I want to, I'm committed to you all, whatever you have written as your target. I will take it forward and together we have to achieve. It is not you only, it is not me only who can do. But I'm the driver of this train. I'm sitting in the engine. Whatever target you set, I will make you reach the destination.
It's a collective effort.
Yeah, it's a collective effort. But मेहनत बहुत करनी होगी. 10 लाख रुपया साल का कमाना है या 50 लाख रुपया कमाना है, उसके लिए मेहनत करनी होगी सर.
Right, right.
You all agree?
Shall I float a doubt?
Yes, sir. बोलिए ना.
Probably each one of us will have proficiency in more than one subject.
Yes.
Therefore, we'll have to make that subject into videos and upload it to your portal.
Yes.
And you said you'll be doing the marketing for that.
Yes, sir.
So how does that revenue will come to us? You are going to give us, or we are going to get it directly, or what is the share?
Good question. I'll
Yes.
answer that. Sir, सबसे पहली बात, whatever course you are creating, because it is a passive source of income, it is not active source of income. Once a course is created, it is created once, and I will do the marketing for month on month and year on year, and you will get recurring income. So the course fees has to be very nominal. Suppose for maths lecture, you are charging 1,000 rupees per month. It means 12,000 rupees for the whole year.
Yeah.
But out here, I will suggest, I am requesting everybody to keep that charge at 990 rupees only for complete course. Because whenever a student is studying through paying 990 rupees and studying, you are saving on what? Your coaching center rental, your electricity bill, your time, your furniture and everything. You don't need anything.
That's right. Yes.
You just work once and I will give you thousands of students here. So there is a chance of getting that 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh student income. So please keep it minimum. And after getting the student, we will share that fees at 70-30 ratio. 70% goes to the teachers, or 30% we keep at super courses for server charges, for technology charges, for maintenance, for marketing and all.
Fine.
Already I have spent crores of rupees on this portal.
Wow.
already.
Good, sir.
Okay.
That's
Sir,
good.
one query.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. Rao sir,
Yeah.
is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear, sir. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, ma'am. Boliye, ma'am.
Sir, that is the full book course you are talking
Yes,
about.
yes, I am asking for the full complete 1-year course.
1 year course means referring to one subject complete book.
One subject, complete book. It may be 10 chapters having 10 videos, or it may be having one chapter. If it is a lengthy chapter, you can have 3 videos, 2 videos per chapter. It all depends at the particular. It all depends on you. I am not deciding on number of videos. I am not deciding on size of the video. It can be 15-minute video. It can be 40-minute video. It all depends on your experience. How you want to explain your subject to the teacher, to the students. It is your subject. You have to decide.
So we need not be visible in that video.
Both can be possible. I will give you one example. Suppose Rao sir is visible on the video. He has recorded, he is comfortable in front of camera, and he has recorded all his lectures in front of a whiteboard or a blackboard. Okay. And Sapna ma'am, I'm just giving example. Just think of it. You have not recorded your video in front of the camera. You have recorded through PPT, and you have given your audio file on PPT, or you have recorded your videos on Zoom meeting, and you are not present in front of the screen. The student will always be attracted when his teacher, his or her teacher is visible. That gives proper connectivity. Suppose I put my video off right now. How will you feel like? You are listening to my voice, but you are not getting connected to me because you are just seeing my picture, or you are seeing my PPT. Are you getting my point?
Case, yeah, I'm getting your point, but in that case, there can be a problem that if we are associated with any institution, they may not like it.
Why?
That we are.
You are taking coaching centers and all. If you are not working in a government school or government college, you are free. Why don't they like?
No, if we are working in any institution, they may not like it. They may object.
I don't know. I don't know. I have 900 plus teachers who are working with me currently. I have already 900 plus teachers.
Yeah,
that you take permission. You take permission from your institution. Why don't you take permission? Make it ethical.
Madam, I have a point.
Yes, sir. Boliye na.
Yeah, see, organizations where you are working, they do not like your time to be spent somewhere. But in this case, we spent our time only one time, and then ripples are there next onwards. You don't spend your time outside.
Because you are not online every time.
Correct, correct.
Sir, we agree with that, but this is the problem we have been facing in past. It's just like an academy and all those are getting it recorded, but we hardly get permission from the head of our institution.
But you are the first teacher who have told this to me, because I am doing this lecture for last 3 months regularly, and none of the teacher have given this point. Somebody has told if I am a government teacher, I have to take permission from my institution. So you just take permission, because it is just like writing a book. Nobody can stop you writing a book.
Correct. Yeah.
It's a passive source of income. It's not active. You are not actively involved in that teaching.
Okay, sir.
And the whole country is doing this. It's a time of digital media. And if you have to convert yourself in digital, if they are not allowing, you have to push that.
That's a good example, sir. See, like madam, a lot of people who are working in institutions, they write so many books which are in the market already.
Yeah, why how that is allowed?
Yeah, and those books will get passive income to the experts.
Yes.
So that nobody can stop.
You can say it is a video book. It is a video book. It is it is not a textbook. It is a video book.
Right.
Thank you. Any other question?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Good evening, sir.
1 minute, Sabu sir.
Good evening, sir.
1 minute, Sabu sir. Fatima ma'am, boliye.
Sir ji. Sir ji, I just want to ask you that I started making YouTube videos 1 month before.
Okay.
I have created my channel also there.
That's good.
can I give that videos to you or not?
Yes,
Should I
yes,
make-
you can. If it is your proprietary right, you can just download that video and upload on my software. That's
Yeah.
okay. But if all the course content is available free of charge on YouTube, then there is no point of getting that chargeable here. Nobody will come and pay her. So in that case, suppose there are 20 videos, you upload only 2-3 videos on YouTube for your popularity, and out there you can publicize the super courses thing, that for all complete course you come on super courses, the link is given below, please click on that link and pay for that complete course.
No, actually what I'm thinking, I was doing the YouTube channel just for my popularity, or just I want to do something
To
different.
do that popularity, and out there you can share the link of super courses.
What I was asking, but if I am getting over here, then I will stop over there.
No, don't do. All social media has to be done. It is not only my media. I am also doing in multiple media. You don't stop that.
Okay, okay.
You can do that. No problem.
Okay, sir.
आप सबसे बढ़िया Instagram पे आओ, Reels पे आओ. There are so many things available. Facebook Live. I am currently live right now on Facebook. 5,000 plus followers are there on my Facebook. And everybody is watching whatever I am speaking. It is live, it is commitment. Whatever I am saying कि मैं 20 करोड़ रुपया दूंगा इस साल, so that is my commitment. My goal is available to the country. So please come in front of the camera and have that faith in yourself कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. And if I can do, you also can do.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Sabu sir.
Sir, I want to know that how many subject video can I send and the duration of this course?
Good. Multiple subjects, multiple courses can be created. If I say you upload one subject, so say you are teaching maths for class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So first start with 9 and 10, because I am targeting 9, 10, 11, 12 first, senior students first. Okay. And if you create 9, and I can get you 500 students for 9. The similar same 9 student will next year will go for your videos.
Yeah.
For 10 class.
Yeah.
And you get popularity of that. So multiple class videos and multiple subject videos of a teacher will give you multiple source of income. Multiple chances of getting 10 lakhs or 5 lakh. That's good.
Sir, let me know one more thing, that in the event of any breaking up the video in the middle of course, that is acceptable or not?
Breaking up in sense, I can't.
Breaking up the video means the concerned teacher is not able to continue the video for the whole year, means that is acceptable.
No, it is not whole year. It is once only. Whatever you have to record for next 1 month, you have to continuously record and upload all.
Yeah. Okay,
after your uploading, you will get money. Otherwise, you will not get money.
Okay. Thank you.
You have to upload complete course here.
Complete course means the whole
one subject, 1 year has to be completed here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Clear. Any other doubts? Anybody else?
Hi, sir.
Yes,
hi,
sir. Yes, Sahil sir.
Sir, hi. I am also chartered accountant.
Wow, I am also chartered accountant.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I am like very passionate about this teaching. I am.
मुझे पता है आपके पीछे green screen देख के समझ में आ रहा है. You are recording on Chroma and you are using that. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
मुझे भी मेरे पीछे green screen करना है अभी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So actually, from last 1 year, actually I'm not into full course right now. I am doing the course is in WIP. I am working on my notes, colorful notes. I am preparing because and I am doing that for CA, CS and CM.
I understand. CA के लिए जब करेंगे तो mind maps बनाना है, mnemonics बनाना है, बहुत सारे. It's a very tiring thing. And
yes, sir. In competition, yes, sir. In competition is very tough, sir.
Yes.
So there are a lot of teachers, because I am very young to this. I have recently qualified 2 years back. So currently I am taking too much knowledge also, and working on my notes, everything. Like there are many things. Notes are there, question bank are there, and summary charts are there. And I also created a YouTube channel. And using this green screen, tripod, mic, and everything, using some software and touchpad, I've created some videos on the YouTube. So if you can see any of those and let me know if those will we can upload those on this portal.
Yeah, you
or
can
I need
upload.
to-
आप मेरे को WhatsApp कर दीजिए एक दो demo video for everybody here. You can send your demo
Okay.
video for your guidance. You can send, everybody can send your demo video here on my WhatsApp number. You all have my WhatsApp number. I
can
will guide
share,
you.
sir,
I will guide you on that.
No, no.
what I can share, sir. Right now, I can share the link
Yeah.
of my YouTube channel.
Abhi nahi, I don't need that. For
Okay,
this
okay.
this week, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, there are sessions like this, same session for all the teachers. Wednesday भी same ऐसा session होगा teachers के लिए. On Saturday, I have a special session for the teachers who don't know how to record, who don't know
Yes.
how to edit. I have a technical
Yes, sir.
session on Saturday, 2-hour session.
Okay.
Saturday 5 से 7. Every Saturday I'm doing that for all the teachers. उसके बाद भी किसी टीचर को वीडियो एडिटिंग, वीडियो क्रिएशन में हेल्प चाहिए, तो there is a chargeable service. I am giving that service to the teachers who are not comfortable in technology.
Sir, 3 to 4 months मेरे को लगा था रिसर्च करने में कि
Yeah, it
एडिटिंग करते
takes
कैसे हैं,
time, it
वीडियो
takes
रिकॉर्ड
time.
करते कैसे हैं.
I will guide you. I will guide you. नहीं लगेगा 3 महीना. यहाँ पे 1 घंटे में मैं सिखा दूंगा. Next Saturday 1 घंटा मेरे साथ बैठिए, मैं सिखा दूंगा आपको.
नहीं सर, वैसे मैंने कर लिया है, काफी कोस्टिंग बियर करके कर लिया है. अभी वो
Thank you.
सेटअप आपको मैं YouTube का लिंक भेजता हूँ, आप बताना.
Sure. Please send your link. Everybody, आपके पास जो भी वीडियो और नहीं भी हो, तो कल सुबह एक काम कीजिए, या अभी इस मीटिंग के बाद अपना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए, सामने रखिए और 5 मिनट का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कीजिए कि I am so and so, I have so much of experience, I have done, my students are scoring 90 plus, 99 plus in past exams, and I want to teach this course. My favorite topic is this, and this topic I teach like this. आप उस टॉपिक को यहाँ पे 5 मिनट के लिए मेरे को डेमो भेजिए. आई विल गाइड यू हाउ टू क्रिएट दैट डेमो वीडियो. एंड मेरे कोर्स में, मेरे सॉफ्टवेयर में सबसे पहले स्टूडेंट चूज करेगा आपका डेमो वीडियो देख के. कैसे किसी टीचर स्टूडेंट को पता लगेगा कि ये कोर्स अच्छा है? सिर्फ मैं मार्केटिंग करूंगा उससे नहीं होगा. आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. सपोज एक स्टूडेंट मैथ्स का लेक्चर लेने आ रहा है. स्टूडेंट हैज कम फॉर मैथ्स लेक्चर ऑफ क्लास 9 and there are 10 teachers there on my portal. Same subject, 10 teachers. How a student will choose? A student will choose from 4 points. First will be a demo video by all the teachers. Demo video will attract them. Second, a number of students enrolled for your course. Suppose एक teacher के पास 500 student है, other teachers के पास 100 student है. The student will be attracted to 500 enrollment only. The third thing, pricing. आपकी प्राइसिंग 990 रुपए है, दूसरे टीचर की प्राइसिंग 1500 रुपए है, तो स्टूडेंट 990 रुपए वाले के पास जाएगा. So I am all suggesting to keep 990 everybody. Don't confuse the student. सब कोई 990 रखेंगे, हम लोग अपना डेमो वीडियो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे, but number of student can vary depending on your luck. And fourth thing is rating given by the student. 4-star rating, 5-star rating is there is an option. And that rating will decide कि कौन सा टीचर अच्छा है, कौन सा टीचर अच्छा नहीं है. It is not I am saying, it is the students rating. It is very transparent system. And उसी के बेसिस पे आपका next year सेल आएगा, उसी के बेसिस पे other classes के other courses भी सेल होंगे. Everything is transparent out here in this software. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Is it clear?
One query I have.
Yes, Sahil sir.
सर 999 सो बहुत कम नहीं है, बिकॉज सीए में तो सर मिनिमम 50 to 60
नहीं सीए के लिए नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं सीए के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. इट इज फॉर ऑल एकेडमिक्स ओनली, क्लास 6 to 12 तक. 12 के बाद इट मे बी हायर, मे बी 1500 2000 और मोर देन दैट. जी एनआईटी के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की जो पढ़ाई है वो कॉस्टली है. यू चार्ज देयर मोर देयर. सीए के लिए यू कैन चार्ज एनीथिंग बिकॉज देयर इज नो कंपटीशन हियर. So you will not find any competition in for CA. आप 10,000 15,000 जो चार्ज करना करो, CA की फीस ज्यादा है, मुझे पता है.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, last my question is,
Yes, sir.
suppose if you receive 3-4 faculty for the same subject, like in English for 9th class,
Yes.
how do you handle that?
No, I am not handling. I am just giving platform to all the teachers, and it is
Okay.
not 3-4 teachers. It will be more than 10-20 teachers for per subject.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
अरे बाजार में किताब जब निकलती है तो टेक्स्ट बुक सबकी निकलती है. कौन
It's a
फेमस
demand
होगा,
and
it all
supply.
depends. कौन फेमस होगा वो आपके,
Demand and supply.
yeah, demand and supply and your luck also. You have to pay for
Okay.
that. मैं
Yeah,
आपके लिए
okay.
मार्केटिंग करूंगा, you also do your marketing.
Yes, yes, yes.
ओके, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है
Good, sir.
Yes,
Good,
अनुराग
good.
सर.
सर। जैसे मैं 9 to 12 वीडियोस बनाता हूँ और
हाँ।
वर्तमान में मेरा श्री राम अध्ययन मंत्रा के नाम से चैनल चल रहा है।
ओके.
क्या उन वीडियोस का प्रयोग मैं अपने इन इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए कर रहा हूँ जो अभी अपने बातचीत कर रहे हैं सब अध्यापक?
हाँ, कर सकते हैं आप.
ओके सर।
आपके पास जो भी एग्जिस्टिंग वीडियो उसी को लगा दीजिए यहाँ पे. यहाँ कोर्स इंस्टॉल करने के लिए आपको अगर इमीडिएट चाहिए तो मैं आपको कोर्स की अपलोड करने की डिटेल भेज देता हूँ, पूरी डिटेल. जितने मुझे लग रहा है आज बहुत सारे टीचर हैं जो कंफर्टेबल है. आई एम शेयरिंग वन लिंक व्हिच इज नॉट शेयर्ड बिफोर माय ट्रेनिंग, बट आई एम शेयरिंग दैट लिंक राइट नाउ. हाउ टू डिफाइन and how to define course, how to define lecture, everything I am sharing right now, which I normally share after my technical training. बस आज लग रहा है मुझे सारे टीचर एक्सपर्ट टीचर आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे. मैंने यहाँ शेयर किया अभी. You just copy paste that link on your notepad.
Okay.
How to create chapter, how to create video chapter, how to create PDF chapter, how to create assignment chapter. एक चैप्टर में क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन हो सकते हैं, सब कुछ हो सकते हैं. So I am giving you that variety of questions lessons here. Any other teacher? किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है या ज्यादा ही क्लियर है? I will take next 5 minutes
clear.
only. Yes, ma'am.
The things are clear. Just want to know, you said that suppose you take that session from 5 to 7.
Okay.
If we are not free during that time, we can go for charge session then.
No. It's not charge session. 5 to 7. I will give you recording of that.
Okay, sir.
I am
Because
recording
I'm not-
right now also. It will be uploaded on
Okay.
YouTube. आज की जो discussion है, it will be uploaded on my YouTube channel. It is uploaded on Facebook Live itself. You can revisit that.
सर
Yes, Anurag ji.
सर मैं अभी कुछ देर में एक वीडियो तैयार करने वाला हूँ, मैं आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे वो शेयर कर
Yes, मेरे WhatsApp में भेजिए. I will check and I will guide you. मैं एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ, फिर भी आपको थोड़ा सा गाइड कर दूंगा कि इस वीडियो को क्या ठीक करना है.
ओके सर.
Sir, can
और-
we send it by the end of next week?
Yes, ma'am. You can take your time. देखिए आप जितना लेट करोगे ना ट्रेन उतनी लेट हो जाएगी. वो ट्रेन छोड़नी नहीं है, हम लोग को पकड़नी है. Because
Right, sir.
अभी का
We have to make up our
करंट ईयर का सेशन चालू हो चुका है and students are searching for something before their summer vacation. I want to use that summer vacation thing so that we can bang on that. कुछ इनकम आ जाए समर के पहले. अदरवाइज वैकेशन मोड में चले जाएंगे स्टूडेंट तो सेल कम हो जाएगी हमारी.
ओके सर, हम यदि अपने
हाँ अनुराग सर बोलिए.
ओके सर, यदि हम अपने इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए जो वीडियोस तैयार कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
तो उसके लिए अपने को सामग्री कहाँ से प्राप्त होंगी?
इस इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए
जी.
आपका अपना कोर्स है, आपकी सामग्री आपके पास है. आपकी बुक जो है, आप किस बुक को पढ़ाना चाहते हैं वो बुक आप रेफर कीजिए. उसकी पीडीएफ फाइल्स अवेलेबल है नेट पे. पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कीजिए, पीपीटी बनाइए, पीडीएफ बनाइए, जूम मीटिंग रिकॉर्ड कीजिए या वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कीजिए. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन यू.
ओके सर.
आप जो पढ़ाना चाहते हैं आपका सामग्री आपके पास है. रॉ मटेरियल इज यू ओनली.
ओके सर.
सर वो गूगल ड्राइव की क्लासेस आप लोग किस प्लेटफॉर्म से देंगे, या पेन ड्राइव मोड में होगा या किस मोड में होगा? मींस
नो, यहाँ पे मेरे ख्याल से आपका सीए वाला पेन ड्राइव मोड नहीं चलेगा.
सो यहाँ पे मतलब वीडियोस डायरेक्टली
मैं वीडियोस डायरेक्टली अपलोड करवा रहा हूँ. आपको अगर लगता है कि
कोई
वीडियो
मैसेज-
चोरी हो जाएंगे तो
नहीं।
बहुत रिस्की है आपके लिए. बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत इजी है कॉपी करना. अभी अपने जितनी भी बात कर रहे हैं कोई और टीचर रिकॉर्ड कर सकता है मेरे परमिशन के बिना. आई कैन नॉट स्टॉप.
वही सर समझ रहा हूँ मैं, बिकॉज़
तो वो आपको समझना है आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी. आई एम नॉट गिविंग दैट सिक्योरिटी टू यू. आप ऐसे लेक्चर दे सकते हो जिससे आप इनकम कमा सकते हो, और वो छोटे मोटे लेक्चर अगर रिकॉर्ड भी कर ले तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़े आपको. ठीक है. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ओनली. आई एम डन. एनी बहुत सारे टीचर है जो कुछ पूछे नहीं है. तारिक सर कुछ बोल नहीं रहे हैं आप. तारिक सर का टारगेट बहुत बड़ा था.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir, my question is that the course, before we upload that on your portal, has it to be uploaded in the entirety?
No, thank you. That's a good question. You can upload one by one lecture, but I will not make it active until it is 30% complete.
Okay.
After 30 to 40% complete, you have to send a request to me on my WhatsApp, and my admin team will check the quality of the videos, and then it will I will make it active for sale. But until you are done with the complete lecture, 100%, your money will be lying in my your wallet, and it will be released only after 100% completion.
So that means we can start with a video or
Yes, you
or
can start
two
with one
and-
by one.
Okay, and then wait for the response to come by.
Yes, yes. So that we can do the marketing at once actually. अगर 50-100 video ready होंगे, so we can do that marketing.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, Sabu sir.
One more doubt is that the
Yes.
entire course has to be completed within 1 month.
No, ऐसा नहीं है. अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा कोर्स है, आप 1 महीना कीजिएगा, 2 महीना लीजिए, बट उतने डिले आपके उस चीज में होगी, इनकम में भी डिले हो जाएगी. तो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि आप कितना लेट करना चाहते हो. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Your competitive teacher is already there on the portal. 900 plus teachers already registered.
Yeah.
With us. And
Means,
उसमें से 900 में से 100 plus 150 के courses are coming live within next 10 days. 100 से ज्यादा live होने वाले course.
Sir, weekly wise we can send the video.
हाँ sir, anytime, no problem. I am available 24/7.
Okay.
And it is me available. It is not my team. I am very serious for 20 crores. मैं अगर अपनी टीम को लगा दूंगा ना तो स्लो हो जाएगा प्रोसेस पूरा. धीरे धीरे होगा, कल करेंगे, आज नहीं. 10 से 6 की ड्यूटी. It is not 10 से 6 की ड्यूटी. This is 24/7. I am working on my mobile. Please. I am very serious. You have to be serious. दोनों सीरियस होंगे तो काम होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा.
So excuse me, sir.
Yes, Tariq sir.
Sir, since we have your number, so can we call you in case
Yes, yes.
if you send it down?
Sir, calling में हो सकता है. बहुत बार मैं मीटिंग्स में रहता हूँ, कोई मल्टीपल मीटिंग्स चलती है, मेरे मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं. I am a software consultant. I have multiple businesses here. मैं हो सकता है बिजी होऊंगा, बट आप व्हाट्सएप कीजिए, मैं जब फ्री होऊंगा आपको कॉल करूंगा.
Sure.
ठीक है?
Sir, one more query.
Yes.
Are
ma'am.
we dealing with CBSE board or ICSE board?
Any board, any board. Both, all the boards are available.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can sell anything. Okay, thank you everybody.
Okay.
Thank you,
Any
sir.
query now?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
सर
sir.
एक क्वेश्चन
Thank you.
मैंने चैट में लिखा.
हाँ, चैट पे लिख दीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. And I am expecting everybody's demo video.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Good
Thank
night.
you, sir.
Take care.
Right.
Good night,
night.
sir.
Thank you. Good night,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.